Hi guys, it's Jose here. I'm going to create a French tip today. First, I'm going to apply this base gel polish I bought at a dollar store in Japan. After putting some polish on the nail with one tap, I wipe off excess polish and I try to spread the polish evenly on the nail. You need to be careful not to touch your finger skin with the brush. Also, try to spread polish thinly. I'm curing it under the lamp now. Okay, it's cured now. This gel polish stays really well on the nail, so I think just one layer is enough. The surface is sticky, so I'm going to wipe it off with a piece of paper towel. I hope you can see the nail is not glossy anymore. Now I'm going to use the French tip stickers I made the other day. Let's try this one. Here, it looks like it's going to be torn apart, but never mind, it should be alright. I want to create a deep French tip with a nail sticker over it. You really need to make sure that the side parts are tightly stuck. Now, this is going to be the most important part of this process. You need to cut the both sides of the nail with scissors with really fine tips. Okay, look at this picture, so please cut these parts, the red parts. After making these slits, you have to press it really firmly. Otherwise, gel polish will come under the tape and make a mess. When you press it, use a piece of paper towel so that you won't transfer oil or grease from your finger. I'm going to use white gel polish from a dollar shop. When you apply it on the nail, you can just leave a little gel polish and wipe off the excess polish on the edge of the bottle. You have to put just a little polish. Try to feel the brush touch the wall of the sticker. Don't go beyond the sticker. If you accidentally put polish on the sticker, it's not the end of the world. Still, try your best not to put polish on the tape or sticker. You have to stretch your skin so that you can apply polish easier. I know it's hard to avoid any excess polish on the tape. It's difficult for me too. Now it's being cured. I'm going to apply the white polish for the second time. Just like the first time, you need to wipe off any excess polish on the mouth of the polish bottle. And again, I'm trying not to apply polish on the tape. And I'm trying not to make any uneven patches. It's rather difficult to do so on this side. Okay, I'm ready to cure it. I'm finished with the second layer of the white polish. I need one more layer. I'm putting polish in the middle, wipe the excess polish, and apply it evenly. It is hard to do this side. I kind of gave up. Now I'm curing the third white layer. The third layer is done. Let's see here. It's not sticky at all. Actually, this is my first time to use this gel polish. Now it's the moment of truth. I have to go very, very slowly. Ta-da! Look at this! I've got something left here. And just a little excess polish. Other than that, it looks beautiful. Oh, this tiny bit wasn't cured. In this case, I'll just wipe it off with nail polish remover. Perfect! It's clean. So I got a really nice French manicure here. Now I want to put a nail sticker around here. I'm going to put one of these flower stickers, but before that, I have to level it. I'm going to use this non-wipe top gel polish from a dollar shop to make the surface smooth. Just enough polish to level the border. Let's cure it. Okay, it's done. Since this is non-wipe polish, it's not sticky at all. Now I've got a nice smooth surface, I can put a flower sticker on it. I'm using paper towel to press the sticker. I'm avoiding a direct contact. Here comes a non-wipe polish again. I'm trying putting more polish than the previous coat. I'm going to add another layer after this one, so I'm not very cautious. I'm putting more polish on the sticker part so that the sticker won't come off. After applying the top polish, I turn over my finger. This way, the polish won't spread to the sides. Let me cure it now. Okay, it's done. I'm going to apply another coat. So I'm putting just enough polish. And I'm extra careful to give it a really smooth surface. Make it smooth, smooth, smooth. Don't touch the finger skin. And here on the tip, just give a small motion to cover it. When you're done, turn over your finger again to level the surface. Now I'm going to cure it. Now everything is done. You've watched how I create a French tip. I hope you liked it. These French tip guide stickers are really useful, so please try making them. I made a video to show how you can make these stickers. Please watch it if you are interested. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye!